This chapter contains 30 marks because here you'll be getting a question which is a 15 marks question, a 10 marks question as well as a 5 marks question. So this chapter is very important. The first objective of human resource management is very simple, that is organizational objective. Human resource planning plays a significant role in determining the demand and supply factors. So here you will understand more about manpower planning, how we recruit people. Hello everybody, a warm welcome to one and all. I'm Abhilash from the Department of Commerce and Management in Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. Welcome to the first day 0, that is human resource management subject which I'll be taking, and here I'm gonna tell you what exactly this entire human resource management for the second semester B.B.A is all about. So here when we go with the first thing which we are supposed to know is the syllabus, because syllabus are something which we need to know, reason what exactly we have in the textbook, what exactly we have for our examination, what exactly we are supposed to learn is what we need to know this. So totally in this subject, human resource management, we have 5 units. Each units have its own unique characteristics, right? You are supposed to learn each and every unit, because if you want to go with human resource management as your specialization or elective in your final year, you are supposed to know the basic of it. That's why the first chapter, the first unit itself is called as Introduction to Human Resource Management, where you will be learning about the meaning, definition, nature, need of human resource management, the process of human resource management, importance of human resource management, as well as there is a very beautiful topic called as the difference between human resource management and personnel management. Plus, you will also understand the HR role in the organization, how exactly the person who is a HR manager will go with it. Next, when it comes to unit 2, we have human resource planning, recruitment and selection. See, this chapter contains 30 marks because here you'll be getting a question which is a 15 marks question, a 10 marks question as well as a 5 marks question. So this chapter is very important, where you'll be asked like how human resource manager will go with human resource planning, how the planning gonna happen, plus how recruitment will happen, the sources of recruitment, the on the training method, off the training method, the selection process, each and everything you will learn here. As well as one more topic is there, that is called the selection, how selection happens, so that you will understand after your graduation, if you go to any interview, how recruitment and selection happens. In this chapter only you will get to know. The third unit is called as induction, training and compensation. Again, part of the second unit and the third unit, you will feel that there is some similarities only because there is something called training and compensation. So this chapter also have something called 30 marks, where 15 marks, 10 marks and a 5 marks question will be asked. The fourth unit is performance appraisal, promotion and transfer. Now you will get a difference between what is promotion, what is demotion, what is transfer, what exactly is transfer cum promotion, what exactly the meaning of promotion cum transfer, you will get to know. Plus you will also understand the main topic of human resource management, that is performance appraisal. There will always be a question, and when you join a company, performance appraisal plays a very important role. And the last unit is employee engagement and psychological contract. Now here, psychological contracts, if you understand, human resource management is very easy for you. See, humans are heterogeneous. To understand each and every person, how his behavior is, how their attitude changes, how their perception changes, how their behavior changes, one should always go with psychological aspects of human resource management. Then it will help them to analyze a person's ability to do work. Is he a person who gonna do the work properly? Is he a person who gonna do his work efficiently? Is a person or she is a person who will not do the work? That is, you will get to know through their psychological aspects. So these are the 5 units which comes under human resource management for second semester BBA students. So here, first, for introduction to human resource management, I told you what all we're gonna go with it. We're gonna go with the nature, need, importance, difference between personnel management and human resource management. There is a topic called as personnel. The word personnel means staff. Personnel means what? Staff. So that is what we're gonna go with. The goal and objectives of human resource management we are supposed to know that the objective of human resource management is also the same of objective of management. Like you have objectives of human resource management. The first objective of human resource management is very simple, that is organizational objective. The second thing is individual objective. The third is societal objective. So these are the objective of human resource management. You will understand here in the first chapter itself. The second chapter is human resource planning, recruitment and selection. Here, human resource planning plays a significant role in determining the demand and supply factors. So here you will understand more about manpower planning, how we recruit people. Why is that we need to recruit and how the selection process happens. And top level, middle level, supervisory level, if you go with this, the top level, middle level, supervisory level, you will understand each and every recruitment and selection differs from levels of management. So how the recruitment happens for each grade, you will understand in this chapter. Next is induction, training and compensation. Induction means it's an orientation. So whenever you join any new company, how the company runs, what is the history of the company, what is the vision and mission of the company, everything is stated in this induction. Plus each and everybody, whoever is a fresher or a person who has an experience, need to go with training and compensation so that their skills can be enhanced. The fourth chapter is performance appraisal, promotion and transfer. Here you will get to know a performance appraisal is a regular review of an employee. If the person is good, they'll start evaluating. That is, evaluation is done. After evaluation is done, the reward as well as the compensation and performance appraisal is given to that person. So here you will get to know promotion, that is defined as the movement of an employee from one position to another position in a higher pay. It is hierarchical. Promotion is what? Hierarchical. Say example, now you were assistant manager. Now you became the manager. After that you became SM, senior manager. After that you are in the board of directors. Then you become the CEO of a company. So this is what the promotion. How from one position to another position you travel and how much responsibility is increased, how much salary is hiked, how much incentive benefits you are getting. Everything you will get to know step by step. That is what the fourth chapter is. The fifth chapter, I told you this, employment engagement, describes the level of enthusiasm and dedication a worker feels towards their job. You will understand that how loyal they are, how enthusiastic they are. They really want to do work, or they feel that they shouldn't do the work. They pretend as if they are doing it, or they really want to go for it, right? So that is where you will understand about these psychological factors as well as the contract. So coming to the internal portion, now internal portion, we have 3 internals for you students. The first internal, the syllabus will be Introduction to Human Resource Management. The second internals, you have the second chapter and third chapter, and the third internals, you have the fourth chapter and the fifth chapter. Why we are giving you in the first internals the Introduction to Human Resource Management? Only because here only, if you go with external, you'll be getting 30 marks. From this chapter alone, you'll be getting how many? 30 marks. So we're gonna split those same question and we're gonna give it for how much? 40 marks, because we know that the NEP goes with 40-60. 40 marks is for the internals and 60 marks for the external. In that 60 marks, if you study the first chapter only, you'll be getting how many marks? 30 marks out of 60 marks. That's why this is very important. So we're gonna keep this for the first internals. Second internals is the second chapter, human resource planning, recruitment and selection, induction, training and compensation. Why we have given this? Because this is one set in a subset. So what happens here is human resource planning, recruitment, selection is a continuation of induction, training and compensation. So it is very easy for you people to remember and you can actually write it. The next is performance appraisal, promotion, transfer, though it is a continuation of the third chapter, but we're gonna keep it separate because employee engagement is totally different from all these things. This is totally different. Here you can expect only 10 marks from this chapter, and remaining here what happens is for the external, I'm just telling you 30 marks questions can come, 30 marks questions can come, 30 marks for performance appraisal, you will get somewhere around 15 marks questions. So both, if you go with it, you will be getting 45 marks questions. So that means options are too much, right? Instead of writing or instead of studying all the chapters, if you just go with any of 3 chapters in the entire 5 chapters, you will be getting somewhere 60 on 60. But I don't want you people to go with any 3. I want the entire syllabus. You people need to know what exactly it is. And next, here we have the special thing, that is books for reference. If you go with book for reference, I have written a book called as Human Resource Management. Please take this as a reference and please do buy it. It is available in Amazon as well as Flipkart. And if you go with Human Resource Management by Abhilash Chandra, that is me, you will be getting somewhere around discount. I'll be telling you about the discount as well. But what exactly you are supposed to do? Buy these books. Everything I have written very prescribedly, or you just wait and watch and get the notes from the Vidhyaashram college, which they are giving it for free. So what is that you should do is just go with the notes which we give it to you. I have only drafted the entire notes according to the textbook itself, so you people can get it for free. Thank you so much. If any doubt is there, please let me know. I'll see you when I see you. Thank you.